Let's solve another question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Okay, so we have two circles, right? And radius is also given of each, which is 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So let's write, first of all, we can write capital R as 19 centimeter and small r as 9 centimeter. You can write R1 and R1 as well. It is correct, no worries. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, two radii are already given and we need to find one more radius. How? Let's see. Which has circumference. Okay, so we need to find the radius of the circle which has circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Okay, so basically if I write in the equation form, okay, so circumference of new circle can be written equal to sum of their circumference. Okay, circumference of capital R, circle with capital R, and circumference of circle with small r. This is what we need to do, right? So after getting this two circumference, we will add and we will get one more circumference, and from that circumference we need to find the radius of the circle. So first of all, what we need to have each circumference, right? So let's start finding with the circumference. So first of all, let's start with the capital R. So capital R is equal to 19 centimeter. Done. Now we need to find the circumference. So circumference is equal to 2 pi and capital R. Remember, so 2 multiplied by pi, 22 by 7 into capital R value is 19. Okay, let's not do 22 by 7, keep pi as it is because we are not interested in finding the specific value. So I'll keep pi as it is. 2 into 19, that is 38 pi only. I kept as it is, which is centimeter. Done. Now let's find the circumference for the circle with radius 9 centimeter. So I will be taking small r is equal to 9 centimeter. So circumference is equal to 2 pi and small r. Be careful, right? Here capital R for the bigger circle. So 2 into pi into r value is what? 9. 9 2s are 18 pi centimeter. I have kept pi as it is. The reason behind that, I don't want to simplify, right? That's the only reason. I will get here circumference in terms of pi as well. Pi will get cancelled. Just wait and watch. Now we need to get the circumference of the new circle. How can we get circumference of new circle? How can we get? By adding these two values, right? So 38 pi plus another is 18 pi. Now see how to add it. You can consider as x only, 38x plus 18x. Simple. So pi will be as it is. Now 8 and 8 will be 16. So 1 carry over, 3, 4 and 5. 56 pi. Okay. We get the circumference of new circle. But what do we need to get? We need to get the radius. So let's apply the formula. What is the formula for circumference? That will be 2 pi, and here let's write R1. Why I am not writing R? Because I have already used capital R and small r. So please don't use that again. Write something else, or you can write A as well. No worries. So to find the value of R1, we need to shift pi in denominator and 2 in denominator. So R1 is equal to 56 pi, and here denominator 2 pi. So pi will get cancelled. Here 2 1s are, and what? 28. So R1 is equal to 28 centimeter. So circle will have radius of 28 centimeter. Let's learn what we did. First of all, understand the condition which is given there, right? Circumference of new circle is equal to total circumference of these two circles. So we found the circumference for each of them in terms of pi. Remember, I have written 22 by 7, but then I converted into pi because it is easy to cancellation. See, otherwise you will get the fraction and it's difficult to get the final answer, right? Then find the circumference for the second circle. Okay, what we need to do? Add them. We want to find the radius for the new circle. So take 2 pi r1, get the value of r1, and you get the final answer as r1 is equal to 28 centimeter. Let's discuss similar question to the previous one, but previously we had circumference, now we had area. So we are going to follow the same method. You can try on your own and get the answer and verify. Let's read the question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. So again, let's start with the R1 and R2, or let's say capital R, which is 8 centimeter, and small r, which is 6 centimeter, right? Let's read further. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the area of two circles. So here previously we have written circumference, but now we are going to write what? Area, right? So I can write area of new circle is equal to area of circle with radius r and plus area of circle with radius small r. Simple. So what are our first step? We are going to find the area of r, this capital R. Then we are going to find area of this small r. So let's start. First of all, let's start with capital R. So capital R value is 8 centimeter. So area is equal to pi capital R square. Remember, don't do the mistake. Here pi, keep it as it is, and instead of R I'm going to write 8 square. So here 64 pi centimeter square, this is area, remember. Now let's find the area with this small r. So small r is equal to 6 centimeter. Here area is equal to pi small r square. So pi as it is, and r is what? 6 square. So here 36 pi centimeter square. Done. We have two areas. Now what we need to find? We need to find the area for new circle. So area for new circle, how can I find it? Just add these two values and you will get area for the new circle. So area for new circle, done, is equal to addition. I'm not writing the same again here. First of all 64 pi, okay, 64 pi plus 36 pi, okay, 36 pi here as well. Then you add and you are going to get what? 100 pi. Now let's put the formula over here as well. So that is pi r1 square. Don't write r again here. I told you in previous question as well, it will be confusing, that you must be thinking that r value is already there, then why are you finding the value of r again, right? So give some other name. We cannot even write capital because capital we already used. So let's make r1 subject. So 100 pi, and denominator this pi will come. So pi here, pi cancel. Now r1 square is equal to 100. As we want the value of only radius, what we need to do? We need to do the square root here and here as well. So square root of r1 will be r1 square will be r1 only. Here square root of 100. Square root of 100 has two possibilities, either minus 10 or plus 10. But remember, we are talking about radius. Radius cannot be negative. Like this circle has radius of minus 10 centimeter. It's not possible. So radius we will only consider as positive. So I will directly write as 10 centimeter. That's my final answer. Done. Now let's recall what we did. So here relation is already given. Then we form the equation, right? Area. So get the area of two circles. We got, then add it, we have added, then we need to find the area, then we need to find the radius for the new circle. So pi r1 square, right? Make the r1 subject, then take the square root and get the value of radius, which is 10 centimeter.